What if your marketing could work for you while you sleep, attracting the right customers, building trust, and driving sales without burnout or bloated budgets? That's not a dream. It's the result of turning data into direction. And that's where Wealth Palette AI changes everything. It transforms messy marketing guesswork into measurable growth. Here's my story. When I started out, I was running on caffeine and chaos, posting everywhere, testing everything, and praying something would click. After watching three campaigns drain my funds and my confidence, I realized the problem wasn't effort, it was clarity. Entrepreneurs today are drowning in data but starving for insight. That's why I set out to build something that gives every founder access to the kind of marketing intelligence big brands take for granted. Overwhelmed? You're not alone. Wealth Palette AI is that solution. A smart marketing companion that helps you see what works before you spend a dime. It listens to your brand's digital presence, studies your audience behavior, and translates that into confident marketing moves. In minutes, you'll know who your customers are, what motivates them, and the best way to reach them. Because when your marketing decisions are driven by data, results stop being random. They become repeatable. Predict, personalize, and profit. Your marketing doesn't need to be louder. It needs to be smarter. Subscribe to Chronicles of a Media Marketer today and join the community for weekly videos that turn complexity into clarity and clarity into growth. The future of marketing isn't about guessing your next move. It's about letting intelligence guide it. Get a free brand and marketing review by commenting Modern Marketing in the comments below. I'll help you find your unique message and direct you to the Wealth Palette AI suite that will help you increase your bottom line in 2026. Subscribe. Watch next. Learn more.